day everyone. So first of all, I would like to say thank you Honda Philippines for this opportunity na mag-test drive namin ang all-new Winner X. So i-invite ko ang all Filipino riders. I'm sure excited ang lahat na mag-try ang kanilang bagong unit, no, ang Winner X. So makita nyo naman, basta Honda kasi pag-uusapan, durability, you know, feature-wise, it's very advanced, and of course, very aggressive look, no, and design. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Honda Winner X na tayo. Honda number 1!
Experience be filled with excitement, yet conducted with safety and respect for each other.
That you will enjoy and make this day unforgettable as we ride like a champion with the all-new Winner X. Your dedication in creating captivating videos showcasing Honda motorcycle product is truly appreciated. Your support and commitment to being exemplary members of the riding community inspire us all. Thank you for being part of this event and for your continued support to Honda. And let's continue to ride safely, share the joy of exploring new horizons, and uphold the spirit of camaraderie in the roads. And let's all ride like a champion. Thank you and good morning everyone.
Hi guys, so nakatakaroon din sa Victoria Plaza, no? So excited kayo na ma-try na to, ma-testing na ang ilahang new product, ang all-new Winner X. So excited kayo ko, no, na makita niyo dire na ilahang mga race tracks dire. Ayan, so dire ta magtagtuyo ko niya. And of course, syempre na itulo ka units, no, na ilahang i-prepare. So by batch siya nga ato ang testingan, no. O unsa ka komportable, unsa ka powerful ang makina, no, sa Winner X sa Honda. So ayun, kita-kits taon niya. Sa price?
For M-Core.
Yes sir. So again, for the price sir, for premium, ano siya, 129,900.
Okay.
Tapos for ABS Racing naman sir, it's 131,900.
For second batch naman
sa standard naman sir, is 123,900. So pinaka-affordable sir, isang standard. Then premium.
Sir Harold, get ready.